Hello and welcome to How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can translate from Hindi language to English using Google Translate. Yes, you can translate using your Google Lens to any other languages. So I'm going to teach you to translate from Hindi to English. What you need to do is you can see the search bar over here. Next to the search bar there is this icon over here, the camera icon. This is for Google Lens. What you need to do is click on that lens and click on search with your camera. After click on search with your camera, you should go ahead and point it towards the laptop screen or anything which is on Hindi. So you can do this for newspapers as well. So you can just click on the photo of a newspaper. For me, I am going to click this photo. Just go ahead and click on this search button over here. After you do so, you can see that it has detected the language. Go ahead and select this language this way. After you select which you want to translate, you can see there are options like copy, listen, translate and search. What you can do is click on translate, and after you do so, you can see that Gemini AI will translate it. So this is the functionality of Google Lens. As soon as you click the photo in Hindi, you saw the translate. Go ahead and click on the translate and you can now see that this is fully translated and you can listen to it as well. You can see this button over here. Just go ahead and tap on it.
Indian box.
So as you can see that you can listen to it, so you can go ahead and be clear what this text means. So guys, this is how you translate from Hindi to English using Google Lens. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.